don't usually come here with a plan. I just start tending a few small things, seeing what needs attention, and let the rest wait. Over time, places like this begin to take on a certain meaning. A sanctuary in your home can mean many things. A room to rest, a shed to work in, a small corner of a room that is considered yours. Yet what links them is the fact that it is truly and deeply personal to yourself. A place where you can spend time in the present moment, engaged in activity, in presence, and without judgment or expectation. The time spent does not need to be long. In fact, I suppose in modern life, it likely won't be. People just find that they are replenished through the short silence of the mind whilst they exist within their sanctuaries. People across the world have done this for generations, not through a sense of cultural tradition or a well-being strategy, just because it's necessary. In fact, how much your sanctuary costs and what sits within it is very little to do with what a sanctuary is all about, as the true requirements can be anything as long as you value it and that the time you spend in it is special to you. The consumerist nature of the modern world is quickly changing the simple values that link to what we think we need in our sanctuaries. People feel that a sanctuary needs to be in fashion, filling it with what's in vogue at any one time. They may buy things not because they speak to them, but by what people may think of them as a person when seeing it. This practice is not uncommon, but speaks to a modern values. I think back to my grandparents' sanctuaries. One was an artist who loved classical music, so all that existed in his room was related to how he could engage in these passions. Another was interested in collecting and fixing things, so his sanctuaries were filled with tools and magnifying glasses to observe his finds. Yet one thing stayed true that has been lost recently. Nearly nothing was replaced unless broken, and a lot of what was there was second-hand, as waste was considered bad practice in life, and the respect of objects was ever present. This generational approach came from probably a post-war era, where nothing went to waste. Yet this is the same as the Japanese approach to wabi-sabi. The idea that age of things helps them to gain more value, and the imperfections caused by age are to be treasured. I've noticed it is important to review your sanctuary and the objects within it. A sanctuary should be a space shaped by what you choose to care for. So if you find yourself filling the space with objects that you do not intend to fully care for, by cleaning or maintaining, then like myself, you could spend this time leading up to a new year to reflect. I find this the perfect time to clear space, organise and store what I have. In fact, I do this as I value the space, like how the Japanese hold ma in their interior design spaces. This does not mean I intend to throw things away. I just intend to store them or gift them to family and friends who may want them. Whilst preparing for the height of winter, organising the space to bring joy through the winter months is a well-spent couple of hours. Only you can speak to what is necessary in your sanctuary, how it should feel, and what it should provide at any given time should be very personal. I hope this video has been a nice reflection, an opportunity to just stop. I'd like to thank you for listening, and I hope that whilst you build or evolve your sanctuaries, you will flow along with me, joining in mine. I hope you all have a happy new year. Please like, subscribe, and hype this video if you can. Until next time, enjoy.